Merci.
So, guten Appetit. Ich wünsche euch einen guten Appetit. Okay, happy Alles Gute.
Merry Christmas.
Hi friends, Merry Christmas to you all. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Today's video is all about Christmas vlog. Yeah, our dinner night vlog. So I'm taking you guys along, and today is 24th of December 2022. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is our last shopping of the year. Yes, so we are just trying to get gather one or two things for the family. So please stay tuned and hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming this dinner night for you guys.
There's not much to do when all I
This one is big,
is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So guys, we are done with the shopping, and right now I'm just trying to make one or two things for the family, yeah, for the dinner night. So sit and enjoy this video, and if you're following me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by clicking on that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and if you're my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and Merry Christmas once more to you guys. So continue watching, and please don't forget to check out my other videos. At the end part of this video, there will be an end stream that will pop out. Please do well to check it out, and God bless you all. So keep watching.
I begin to
for sure.
Okay, happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Okay,
Amen.
and you keep it.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 Merry Christmas!
Yo.